In this video, we are going to look on how to claim Wuffi Airdrop on Wuffi Wallet. First, open up your Wuffi Wallet. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Then tap on Claim Your Reward Now. Tap on Connect Wallet. And then tap on Ton Connect. Choose Ton Keeper from here and connect your Ton wallet so you can claim the airdrop. Tap on Connect Wallet. Type in your Ton wallet passcode and now the wallet is connected. Now tap on Claim Your Woof and tap on Claim. Before claiming this airdrop, make sure that your Ton wallet has at least 0.1 Ton in balance. And then once you tap on Claim, you will successfully claim the Wuffi airdrop. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.